Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about how to make a shortcut key, or I made a video on how to get the text to path to work on this arch. And when you're doing a lot of names and you had to individually put them in there, and we were putting them on or I was trying to put them on this last night and go up to text to path, and it was putting it upside down on this path, but right side up on this path. And I couldn't ever figure it out why and was. So if you haven't seen that video, and if you ever see a ghost figure like that, you can just zoom in and zoom back out and it'll go away. But I mentioned in that video that I made a shortcut key because I was having to do it so much. So I just made a shortcut key because I was having to do 33 names last night individually, put them on this path. So I just made a shortcut key. So go up to Tools, Customization, go down to Commands, go over here to File and pick Text. And then when you're in Text, go down to Fit Text to Path, go to Shortcut, and there's nothing assigned. I erased it. So we're going to use the letter V, and I'm going to assign it, and then I'm going to hit OK, and then I think you also need to go up and save as default. But now, when I click on this name, instead of going up here, that's movement of mouse, click, click. It's 3 clicks and a movement. All I have to hit is the letter V, and it puts my name, text to path, right on my text, or right on my path. So let's go over that again real quick. Let's zoom in here, and you can do this with a lot of stuff. I never had one for text to path because you don't do it that often, but if you're having to do a lot, I'm just hitting the letter V, and my text to path is cleared, is right there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.